Hello guys, today I'm going to explain you rural administration. I'm going to explain you rural administration. District administration. It is the highest unit of rural administration. It plays an important role in solving land disputes and in maintaining law and order. The district magistrate or the DM is highest executive officer at the district level. He is also called district collector and deputy commissioner. He or she is responsible for smooth administration in the whole district. He or she, who is the district collector and deputy commissioner, is responsible for smooth administration in the whole of district. He performs the functions enumerated above with the help of many officers. There are basically three arms of administration. There are basically three. First, the law and order. Second, the maintenance of land records and collection of land revenue. Third, maintenance of civic amenities and development. Police. The police is the district looks after law and order aspect. There are the various police stations in the district. So police looks after law and order aspect, and there are various police stations in a district. The strength of police force in a district can vary depending on their area prevailing law and order. The strength of police can be more or can be less in other districts because of the area that covers police that covers the district. Second, their duty is to prevent crime and ensure that people live a safe life in their area of responsibility. Any person who has complained about being harmed by way of bodily injury or stealth of property, robbery, cheating can approach to the police station with his complaint. And any person who had complained that he is harmed by body or stars of property, so he or she can approach to the police and complain the FIR or the complain the report complained the report that he have been injured or he have all stars of property. Robbery, robbery, robbery means that chori karna. If any person had robbed can also approach to the police station. Cheating can approach the station with his complaint. If anybody had cheated or anybody has cheated to other or anybody had cheated with other person, he or she can approach to the police to with his complaint. Like if anybody cheated, if anybody has यानी कि किसी के साथ कोई चीटिंग हो गई है, so that person can come to the police station with his complaint. The police are duty bound to investigate the matter and bring the guilty to book. The police is responsible for that to investigate the matter and bring the guilty to the book. Patwari. The maintenance of land record and collection of the revenue is major function of the administration. So what the Patwari does, what the functions that Patwari do. The land revenue collection is done by revenue officers at the basic level. A nominate employee of the revenue department maintains all record of land ownership. Up at the basic level of village. A, a nominated employee of the revenue department records all ownership, called Patwari. He is known as Patwari. Asanna, he is known as Patwari. He is known as other name in different regions, like in some places he known as Lekpal or Kanun Go or village officer. And now I am going to tell main duties of main duties of Patwari. He maintain a detailed map of the area. He measures and divide it into parts called khasas. He divided the parts called khasas. He measures and divides the parts called khasas. He measures marks and record the owner of land on a map. He measures the marks and record of the ownership of the land on a map. A map in there are the divided part called khasras are recorded that have of the Patwari. That map is of Patwari that have ownership of land and have khasras. He used tool of chain and link to measure land. He uses chain and link to measure the land. He keep updating the record as and when it is subdivided or the ownership is changed. He keep updating that this owner has been changed within in this owner. Next, Sohan give and part of his land to another another person called Sohan. So he updated that Mohan is not now the owner of this land. Sohan is now the owner of this land. He keeps all record of crops grown on these various patches of the land. He keeps and record that which crops have grown, like in this farmland soybean has been grown, carrot has been grown, etc. Many he used to keep the records of the crops that grown. He collected the revenue from the owners of land. He collected the revenue from the owners of the land. I hope you enjoy this video. Like and subscribe. Bye. Have a good day.